got all of them. This, I feel like this part right here is where most women, it's like the foot puff area. The two belts make it where you get that area down there. Put it extra tight. As well as that midsection to get that hourglass look. So, you have to see, but I think we're ready now. You see it?
Run it up, run it up. Make them niggas wanna give a fuck. Make them niggas wanna get some butt. Make them niggas wanna say what's up. Run it up, run it up.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl, CHYNGIAM, and this thing back again with another dope video. Y'all, today, I thought it would be super cool to bring you guys like a business 101 type of, you know what I'm saying, ordeals where I have to bring you videos like in which I'm unboxing inventory, maybe packing packages up, labeling, things like that for the business. So, y'all, today we have some new inventory. I'm super excited. Y'all, bayfashion.com, make sure y'all check it out. If you guys are wondering, this jumpsuit is from bayfashion.com. So, y'all can go get you one if you want to. Use coupon code SAY20, save 20% off on your order. So, this is a new collection I've been working on, y'all. It's called Bay Fashion Snatch, in which it's going to have like undergear, waist shapers, waist snatchers, fat burning ointments and things like that. So I'm super excited. I know, like, when I see packages come, I'll be so excited. You be excited when you see packages come? I love packages. This is the new inventory we have. So y'all, if y'all ever on the site, shipping, most people receive their shipments in 2 to 3 days. And yeah, it's always like a promo code or something. So if y'all not, make sure to follow my Instagram at Chyng. That way y'all can stay up to date like with the new stuff. And also follow bay.fashion on Instagram. So y'all, oh my gosh, they all holding out. Wait. So y'all, this is a ton of them. Okay, a ton of them. Yeah, a ton. Okay, let's see the sizes we got here. The extra large. Try to get it where it's not. Okay, do y'all see that? Super cute. Tons of inventory in stock. Okay. This is a 5X. Now y'all can, don't play with me. Y'all get up to 6 or 7X. So this here, y'all, is, let me just show y'all. I'm doing a video trying this stuff on for y'all too. I don't know if y'all seen those butt lifter things where you burn fat underneath your thighs. Okay, this is the waist belt. They go around your waist, and then these go around your thighs, around, you know, the butt part. I'm about to try this on for y'all too. So here, y'all. What you got? All of them. So y'all, whenever y'all order a order, you should receive like a packing slip. Your packing slip pretty much gonna show you all the sizes that you ordered, all the things that you order and the variations. And usually sometimes they have the price per thing, or they'll just have like the quantity of the item as well as the item number. So yeah, make sure y'all check it out. And according to your list is how you will go and you will see to make sure you have the right amount of items and stuff like that when you're looking over your product. I always advise people to look over every item. I know that when your business gets super big, it's kind of hard looking over every single, you know, item and things like that. But I definitely advise you to do that, you know, just to save yourself from having defective products and things like that. Even hire a person to do those type of things if you have to. It's the next one. Y'all, here we have more. I can't wait to release these to y'all. Y'all get the point. So right now I'm about to go find my sizes and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like up close, you know, how they fit and things like that. So y'all can see what the hell we just got in, okay? Okay, y'all, so here we go. This is a size large. Okay, so I open it up. Okay. This is the latex waist snap. Okay, so you got the big fashion. This is the kind that got the 2 belt. Look at that, about to be extra snatched. So yeah, I got like the holographic look. That's how I designed the little one thing. Okay, y'all, I might either be in a size medium now. On some real. These are really good for working out here. This is how I keep my stomach right here now. Look at that. Already. Okay. Okay. So then we got that, y'all. This is what's gonna get it. I like the one with the 2 belts, y'all, because they make it where you can such it in like this. I feel like this part right here is where most women, it's like the foot puff area. The 2 belts make it where you get that area down there, if y'all know what I'm saying. Got that. Put it extra tight. You heard me. And then for this area up here, we got another belt for y'all. Like I said, I think it's just so much better like that because you can snatch that lower area as well as that midsection to get that hourglass look. So, see, but big body gains coming through. And the workout in this, boy, you get to squatting in this. You feel me? You get to squatting in this. So this is the first one. Hold you in real good. And these actually, I feel like the 2 also makes it where it's more seamless underneath your clothes. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know, the other ones be looking kind of bulky under your clothes. But this one kind of make it where it's smooth and flat. So this is pretty much the thigh booty joke. So you pretty much come around the waist with this. And yes, you can work out with them both. And then you got your leg straps right here. Swing it around. Bring it around. And this gonna help you get that little booty, the little booty cover everybody want. Working out. Okay. That's our one leg. Okay. And these are latex, y'all. So they are very durable and elastic. I'm sorry. I'm actually considering y'all also selling vendorless. So let me know if y'all interested. I just haven't really had many people question me about them, so. I think we're ready now. You see it? That booty cup coming. See that butt cup? Okay. So yeah. Go get your little. And you winning, you heard me. So, y'all, we got one more. Now this one I feel is really good for people who got like a lot of side boob right here and boob right there. You know what I'm saying? Or just big boobs in period that needs to hold it up really good. This one here is a full vest. It's the full vest, okay? So I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna do the full vest. So this is the full vest. This thing gonna get your back together. All the extra fat you got back there. Helps with your posture. This is the full vest. Okay. A little tight now if you want to get the results. So y'all, here is the full vest. Okay. On the back. Okay. Cool. And this one keep them things set up. So yeah. That's pretty much it. Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. Okay, get yours. Get that thing right, you know what I'm saying? Definitely good. And like I said, these are latex, so they do last really long. I got some that I've had for 3 years, you know what I'm saying? So this is just pretty much the updated brand. I wanted to make sure I had the emblem on there, the brand on there. If y'all want me to come and give y'all a video on how you guys can brand your own, you know, items like this and things like that, comment it down below. Just let me know like some business tips y'all want, and I'll bring y'all some videos like that. But these items go up to 6, 7, and 8X, y'all. So if you have not already, go order them. Okay, use the discount code SAVE20, save 20% off your item. You heard me, 6, 7, and 8X. Okay, who doing it like that? Nobody. But yeah, y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the garments. Let me know, comment them down below what y'all think. And yeah, as always, y'all, it's your girl, Chyng-a-ling, and it's thing, and I will be back again with another one for y'all later. Bye, y'all.